like it's time to decide. Are you here? Are you now? Is this it? All of those selves that you tried, wasn't one of them good enough? 'Cause you're upside down and inside out, and you can feel it. Inside down and upside out, and you can feel it, feel it.